In this video, I'm going to install the TestRay app on a Jira Data Center, on-premise, server. First, log into the Jira server as an administrator. Then go to Manage Apps. Enter your Jira admin password to access the Find New Apps page. Search for TestRay in the Atlassian Marketplace. You'll see TestRay listed in the results. Click Free Trial. It will download and install the TestRay app into your Jira on-premise server. The installation may take a few seconds to complete. Once installation is complete, you'll be asked to generate a trial license or apply for a commercial one. You can generate a trial license, or if you already have a commercial license, apply here. Let's close this window. I'll use my existing license key. Go back to Manage Apps. You'll see a list of all installed apps on your Jira server. Find TestRay in the list, and under License Key, paste your license key and click Update. You'll see a message confirming that the license has been installed successfully. Refresh the page, the warning message should disappear. Now, TestRay has been successfully installed and licensed on your Jira Data Center server. You're all set to proceed to the next step, configuring TestRay.